All right, everybody, we just had a pretty bad box, 2006 Bowman Draft. We're going to make up for it with a nice super hot box of 2011 Elite Extra Edition. Huh? How about that? I'm feeling it. All right, guys. Pack one. Wah, wah. That's right, though. That's just one pack. Doesn't mean it's not a hot box. Bang! Tanner Rayer for the Reds out of 200. Okay, still no auto. That doesn't mean nothing. No reason to panic. No reason to panic. Uh-oh, Eddie Rosario for the Twins. Nice card. Out of 699. Bang! Twins on the board. Next pack. Already got an auto down. We are 1/14 of the way to one of those really nice hot boxes. Huh? Still 1/14 of the way. Still 1 and 14. Uh-oh, there's a Royce Collinger. Look, Royce Bollinger, huh? Hot pack right there. Yep. He said mildly. I'd be mildly interested. Wow, these cards are all backwards and everything. What do we got? Bang! Corey Jones for the Cardinals. Corey Jones out of 781 for the Cardinals. The Cardinals. Courtney Hawkins. He's a White Sox. We got Carlos Escobar. He looks like a Cub. Carlos Escobar for Chicago. What is that? 4 autos? 4 autos. Huh? Still 4 autos. Uh-oh. Team Panini. Barrett Barnes for the Pittsburgh Pirates. Still 4 autos. So we got 4 autos so far. Marcus Stroman, Diamond Kings. Mitch Haniger for the Brewers. That's me. Huh? I got hits everywhere. Brewers. Tom Murphy for the Rockies. Die cut out of 200. I heard it went to Dakotas. That was the rumor I heard about that. Austin Nola for the Marlins out of 798. That's an on-card auto right there. Albert Almora. Pat Light. Stinking Pat Light. Uh-oh. At a 99 for the USA, Kyle Tucker. USA Auto Relic, Kyle Tucker, 12 of 99. Big time hit right there. All right, and last pack. Not a damn thing in it. All right, guys, so we got 2 measly die cuts out of 200. Some right here guy and Tom Murphy, Rockies and Reds. And then autos, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So close to a hot box. Got a USA Auto Relic out of 99. Austin Nola for the Marlins. The Brewers, Haniger. That's not an auto, so I guess we only got 7. Escobar for the Cubs. Corey Jones for the Cardinals. Rangers got Bollinger. And Eddie Rosario for the Twins. Huh? Big time. All right, guys, that was a mediocre box. It wasn't a terrible box. It just wasn't a good box. So moving on, we're going to open up some 2011 Bowman Chrome next, and Ben is hoping for a Bryce Harper.